All Recipes member Shirley O shared this recipe for one bowl chocolate cake. She describes it as rich and moist and says it only takes a few minutes to prepare the batter. All Recipes member Jen, who tried this recipe, says, "I'll never make a boxed chocolate cake again." Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Place 2 cups of sugar into a large bowl and add 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir all of the dry ingredients together. Next, add 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix the batter for 2 minutes with an electric mixer at medium speed. Slowly mix in 1 cup of boiling water into the batter. The All Recipes member who submitted this recipe says that the batter will look thin at first, but it'll set up just fine. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared pans. Bake them in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean for 30 to 35 minutes. Cool the cakes inside the pans for 10 minutes. Gently invert them and allow them to cool completely on a wire rack before topping with your favorite frosting. All Recipes member Winged says 1 bowl chocolate cake is my go-to recipe. Another member named Kelly B agrees, saying, "I've been looking for a cake that screams yummy and fudgy, and this is it."